right, so let's say I want an image that I can sort of trace digitally because I want to include it, but I have to do original images. I can't copy and paste from the internet. But what you can do is you can borrow an image for temporarily, and then that can help you sort of copy it to get a better idea of what you want. So I'll go under Insert, I'll go under Image, and then I'll go to Search the Web. And then let's say I want a bird. And I found this, and let's say I like it. So I click on it, click Insert. Okay. So here it is. I'm going to enlarge it so that way I can see it really well. I always can change the shape of something. This is obviously way bigger than what I need it to be, but in order for me to click trace, I would need it to be bigger just to help me out, and then I can always minimize it later. So I've made it as big as I can make it to do the click tracing. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, go to the curve line feature, and I'm going to start click tracing. So I click, move my cursor, click, move my cursor, click. This can be tricky. If you're going to go this route, you have to be patient and be willing to try a few different things. I'm actually going to skip this wing. I don't really want to do this wing. And because I'm making my own original image, it does not need to look like it exactly. But I carefully move my cursor around and I click and move, click and move. I am careful to not double click, because if I double click, then the function ends and the shape is not complete. And if that happens, sorry, friends, you just get to start again. And I know that that's annoying. So I'm actually going to turn this into a few different shapes and combine them together. All right, so this shape is done. One other shape I did want to create was this tail shape. So I'll go back in and create the tail shape. And then I will work to combine these shapes together by grouping. All right, so just making some slight adjustments because it did not come out exactly the way I wanted. All right, so here's what I do. I took this complex bird shape here, and I traced it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it because I don't need it anymore. And I'd like to combine these two shapes together. So I selected them both. So I'm holding down the Shift key, clicking both. And I'm going to group it together by pressing Control Alt G, or going to the Arrange tool and clicking Group. So now it's grouped together. So I'm going to get rid of the outline, and now it is all one grouped together thing. And I am going to turn it into a color. Let's go for blue. All right, and then I am going to minimize it. And then I can use it to decorate around the door.